How to make video on Rednote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me Mike from Create, Login and Delete. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple process of creating and posting videos on Rednote. Whether you are new to the app or just exploring its feature, I'll show you how to get started step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Rednote app on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. And this will open your album where you can select an existing video or you can simply tap on camera to start recording a new one. Use the camera to record your video. RedNote allows video up to 60 seconds long, so make it short and engaging. And once you're done recording, simply tap on Done to proceed. Now, in this section, you can enhance your video. You can tap on Effects menu at the bottom and choose from the available option. You can add text to your video. While most options may still be in Chinese, you'll find some in English. You can even customize the style and typeface your text. You can even add stickers, trim and edit, and you can also add location to your post. And at the top of the screen, select the music to choose a track for your video. And if you are recording your screen for this video, music playback might not work, so it will be fine once you post the video. Now tap on Next. Now in this section, you can add a title and description. You can include hashtag to make your video more discoverable. You can add location tags if desired, or you can even decide whether to make the video public or private. And once you're done with everything, simply tap on Post. And that's it. You have successfully created and posted a video on Rednote. It's straightforward process with a more English feature being added. It's only getting easier to use. And with this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.